Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Rockwood number SP1024. This is a glass door bushing, is what this is. This is nothing other than a piece of, is it vinyl? Is it some sort of clear? I imagine it's clear vinyl is what this is. It's nothing other than a bushing that's meant to go into the 5/8 hole that you drill in your glass door during the fabrication process. Half-inch thick door, half-inch thick glass door, 5/8 hole, and this bushing just insulates the metal of the bolt running through it from touching the glass. And that's all that this is. If you have a glass door and you are through bolting or back-to-back mounting, whatever it is, you're going to need this. Outside diameter, it's for a 5/8 hole. This is actually measuring about 0.624. So 5/8 is 0.625. This is going to fit quite snugly in that 5/8 hole. The thickness of it, being for half-inch glass, my caliper is telling me it's measuring about 0.395. 0.395, so just 50 thousandths or so light on 0.5 inch, but I bet your half-inch glass isn't exactly 0.5. Don't deal with glass doors often, but that would be my guess. If it runs like other doors. The thickness of this, of course, is the difference divided by 2. It's about 140 thousandths thick. Let's switch to the screen view where we can take a look at some supporting information. This is the item that we're looking at here, and it's just really a summary of the SP1024 along with the sister products that go with this. So, namely, what that means is if you're doing a Type 13, 13 HD, or Type 14, which is for half-inch thick glass, you'll need the bushing, but you're also going to need the plastic washers. And they need to know if it's 1 inch, 1.25 inches, or 1.5 inches, or if it's, whatever the size of the handle is, they have to know that. This is for a 1/4-20 size, a 5/16 size, and a 3/8 size. Okay. For Rockwood mounting kits, parts master table, let's take a look. If you recall, Type 13, 13 HD, and 14. So we're literally looking for it's not listed anywhere here, but I can get us to that area. So what I'm driving at is I want to look and see what those mount types are so that I understand better what the mounting type looks like, because you might say to yourself, that's exactly what I need. It's a Type 13 HD, let's say. So what we're doing here is we are waiting for that page to load. The product catalog cut sheet here goes over just, material that's literally out of the catalog. Some of it's just germane, other material is not necessary to have. Material as it relates to this application is on page 1, but that manufacturer's page has loaded, and we can pull up our mounting kit parts master table, and from inside of here we'll be able to pull up our Type 13 and 13 HD and 14. I'm just scrolling through until I find them, and I have. So we have Type 13 and 13 HD. Half-inch glass, that bushing, neoprene bushing, I'm not sure it's neoprene, but I'm not a materials science expert. Type 13 and 13 HD. The only difference is the diameter of the bolt. You go with a 14, I got a 14X HD, you would still need that bushing that's here. And that's what they're certainly referring to. Okay. Now, once you've got an idea of the mount type that you're working with, you can then understand why you might need a bushing, you might need a replacement bolt. The rest of this catalog lists all of that material absolutely for us to review. So a lot of interesting information in here. Since we are on the manufacturer's page, let's review that. So on this manufacturer's page for Rockwood, we can review not only all of the Rockwood products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. Their architectural door pull catalog is here as well. That's 100 pages of semi-custom and sometimes customized door pulls. Architectural base materials like brass, bronze, stainless, aluminum, material made of wood, made with wood, leather, neoprene, obviously just the base material. So a catalog really worth diving into, and it's important to point this out to you because it's handles like this that require these SP1024 bushings. A video here of a project that I did where Rockwood did an exceptional job, which Rockwood did an exceptional job should be their legal middle name. They do a great job in all instances, in my experience. Okay, so this is the item that we're looking at. Let's wrap up this video on camera. In conclusion, this video is really to simply serve as visual evidence of what this item looks like so that you can be sure that it is the item that you require. If you have any questions on the Rockwood, this is the part number SP1024. Bushing for 1/2-inch glass, 5/8 hole in the door, or any other Rockwood product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.